The wheel is completely stuck.
We won't have enough water for the week if it stays like this.
The water wheel is too damaged. Yes, we have assessed the damage. We can begin repairs immediately.
We will organize the workers to start tomorrow morning.
Open valve 3 now. Flow is stable. Check the gears. Making adjustments here. Readings look good. Securing the gate. Open the channel. Clear. Turn the valve. Water's rising. Push the gate. Adjusting pressure. Check the gauge. Stabilizing now.
Main valve tightened. Pressure holding. Outlet flow stable. Engage gears. Final check. System operational.
The restoration is complete. The water is flowing.
Thank you for your work, it's beautiful. Let's celebrate.
To the community.
The pressure seems stable now.
Thank you for your help, worker. Remember to organize the queue.
The restoration is complete. The water is flowing.
Thank you for your work, it's beautiful. Let's celebrate.
To the community.
The system is fully restored and operating efficiently.
That's wonderful news. The water looks so clear. Thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you so much for your hard work.